Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on Golang. Today I would like to talk to you a little bit about the Euclidean algorithm, which is for the purpose of finding the greatest common divisor between variables a and b. Here I wrote out these two variables in prime factorization form just so we can easily see the greatest common divisor. If we just look at what the Euclidean algorithm looks like as it's written out here shortly, here we can see the Euclidean algorithm working along. Here we simply look at these two terms here, and we always place the largest one on the left side of the next equation. So here we say 55 is greater than 44, so that goes over there. 44 is greater than 11, so that goes over there. And you can see this process continues on till we find the smallest one greater than 0, which happens to be 11. So here we can see the source code. We're basically calculating this new variable c, and the trippy part is we're basically all we're doing is subtraction. And if we look at my notes here, we'll end up with the variable b as being the answer, since we actually trip this condition to be untrue eventually, and this was the previous c, ends up in the variable b, ends out to be the result. And we're stepping along here. Basically, the greatest common divisor ends up being d, and it has to exist because there has to be a factor of at least 1 at each step of the Euclidean algorithm. So this basically works by the distributive property along each step. So that's how I think programmers would like to view this, as just descending down into the greatest common divisor. So let's watch this code run again. Here we can see they actually don't have a greatest common divisor, so that ends up being the number 1. And you can just keep testing this by changing a and b if you'd like. This was only 28 lines of source code, so hope you liked that explanation, and have a great day.